Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the app is current. Updates fix audio bugs and new controls. Once updated, open TikTok and go to your profile, tap the 3 lines, then Settings. You need to access notifications right away. This is where sound controls live. This first step primes the app and your phone permissions so changes stick. Make sure TikTok has notification permission in system settings, because if it's blocked there, you can't change in-app sounds. Now focus on the sound option. In notifications, either turn push notifications off or, if you want alerts without sound, find the sound or play sound toggle and switch it off. You can also disable sounds for likes, comments, or messages individually. This gives control without muting every alert. If TikTok lacks an in-app sound switch, go to your phone's notification settings and set TikTok sound to none or silent, so the app still notifies silently. Finish by testing. Ask a friend to send a message or create a quick notification to confirm silence. If sound persists, close the app and reboot your phone. This clears transient audio sessions. Next, clear TikTok cache from settings or uninstall and reinstall the app to reset defaults. This solves corrupt preference files. If nothing works, check system level, do not disturb or third-party sound apps. Make sure they're not overriding TikTok settings before you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.